Hello! Today I have Nerf gun review, the new Jolt. And comes with 2 N-Strike Elite darts. Has same old cocking system. Shoot pretty fast. Ow, my eye. Ow. And if you lose your bullets and you have this bullet, it does work. So don't worry about that. It just worked right now. I don't think you can see that, but oh yeah, purple hearts. That doesn't look like a heart, but purple hearts for Boston, from the Boston bomb. Yeah. Anyways, back to it. So, that's purple. It's supposed to be white, but I colored it. Says Jolt right there. Says Nerf right there. Cocking, like I said. Okay, anyways, good grip right there. Yeah, and I got this for Easter, so, and I like it. It's probably one of my favorite guns, and I really like it. So, just tweak it. It's good. Good for sneaking. And goodbye.